Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's all about connection, intimacy, and leaving a lasting impression. We're talking about how to make her never forget you through an unforgettable sexual experience. Police Garlight. Now, before we get started, this video is about creating deeper intimacy, mutual pleasure, and meaningful connections. It's not just about technique, but understanding how to build an experience that makes both of you feel amazing. So, if you're ready to elevate your connection to the next level, stick around. Let's get into it. 1. Set the stage for intimacy. First things first, creating an unforgettable experience starts way before you even get to the bedroom. It's about setting the stage. 电灯泡. Start by creating an atmosphere that feels both comfortable and sexy. Whether it's lighting candles, playing her favorite music, or just making sure the space is clean and inviting. It's the little things that show you've put thought into the moment. You want her to feel like this is a special experience that's focused on her. Because it is. The idea here is to activate all her senses: sight, smell, sound, touch, creating an environment where she can fully relax and be in the moment with you. When she feels safe, relaxed, and wanted, the connection between you will be that much stronger. 2. Communication is key. Okay, let's get real. Communication is everything when it comes to unforgettable sex. And I'm not just talking about verbal communication. It's about reading her body language, noticing how she responds to your touch, and being present in the moment. Don't be afraid to ask her what she likes, before, during, and after. Asking for feedback can be incredibly sexy because it shows you're focused on her pleasure and you're willing to adapt. Trust me, when she knows you care about what she's feeling, it's something she's going to remember. Also, nonverbal cues are just as important. Is she leaning into your touch? Is her breathing changing? These are all signs that will guide you in creating the experience she's craving. 3. Build anticipation. Here's a secret. Anticipation is a huge part of making any sexual experience memorable. Take your time. Don't rush into anything. Let the excitement build. When you slow things down, every touch, every kiss becomes more electrifying. Foreplay is your best friend here. And I'm not just talking about the typical stuff. Start with subtle, teasing touches throughout the day. A kiss on the neck when she's least expecting it, a whispered compliment, or even just a gentle brush of her hand can build anticipation way before you're in bed together. When you finally get to the bedroom, she'll already be craving more. And that's where the magic happens. Because anticipation makes the actual experience that much more powerful. It's not just about what you do. It's about how you make her feel before anything even starts. 4. Focus on her pleasure. Now, let's talk about the most important part of any sexual experience: her pleasure. An unforgettable experience is one where she feels completely satisfied, where you've made her the priority. Don't just focus on the physical aspect. Think about how she's feeling emotionally too. Is she feeling connected to you? Is she in a space where she can fully enjoy herself without any distractions? When she feels seen and understood on every level, it creates a much deeper connection. Remember, there's no rush here. Pay attention to what turns her on, what makes her feel good, and give her time to build up to that moment of pleasure. Taking the time to understand her body, her desires, and what makes her feel amazing is what will set you apart. 5. Make it about connection, not just performance. Here's the thing. A truly unforgettable sexual experience isn't just about technique or performance. It's about connection. It's about creating an intimate, meaningful moment where both of you feel valued and desired. When you're present in the moment, listening to her, responding to her needs, and showing genuine care, it creates a bond that she'll never forget. It's not just about being great in bed. It's about making her feel cherished, respected, and desired in a way that sticks with her. That's what she'll remember. Not just the physical pleasure, but how you made her feel emotionally connected and safe. Conclusion: it's all about the experience. So, there you have it. An unforgettable sexual experience is more than just physical. It's about setting the stage, communicating, building anticipation, focusing on her pleasure, and most importantly, creating a meaningful connection. Trust me, if you follow these tips, you'll create a memory that's going to stay with her for a long time. And that's how you make sure she never forgets you. Alright, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more videos just like this. And hey, leave a comment down below. What's your #1 tip for making a lasting impression? Let's chat about it.